The SafeZone 3 comes in the out-of-box configuration with no IP address. The easiest way that I find is to find a computer with BootP, or you can install BootP from our Rockwell website. Just take your cord to eliminate all network traffic and plug this directly into your computer. So in the next step, as you will see on screen, this will be plugged directly into my PC, eliminating any other items or any other traffic that might be trying to BootP or that be working on the network. So it's an old field service trick I learned. Plug device you want to BootP into computer, eliminate all other items that may be interfering. To find the Rockwell Automation BootP utility, simply go to Google, type in Rockwell Automation and BootP. What you'll find is the second one down says Find Downloads on the Product Compatibility Download Center. I click on that, and there it is for me to download if I need it. On my computer, I've already installed it, so I'm just going to find where I put it. Type in boot, and I find BootP. I need to know what Ethernet adapter or network interface that I'm using, and for me it's my 192.168.199, my private network that I use for programming on my PLCs. So since I'm directly connected to this device, there's nothing else that I'm connecting to. I should be able to see the MAC ID pop up. It's listening right now for the connected devices, and within a couple seconds here, we'll see what's come up. I find the MAC ID. This is exactly the MAC ID that's written on the bottom of my SafeZone 3 scanner. And because there's nothing else in my network and the old field engineer trick that I'm directly plugged into it, that is my device beyond a doubt. So I click on that. What I want to do is I want to add a relationship. I'm going to type in an IP address, 192.168.1. I'm going to make it something I can remember or use fairly simply. SafeZone 3 works pretty good for me. I click OK. And 192.168, it caught the fact that I typed in something incorrectly. So I say OK, and it says that 192.168.1 was sent out to that MAC ID address. So it's out there. That's good news. So it's been out there, and sometimes I like to wait a little bit to make sure that the device itself has received that. Sometimes if you're a little quick on the trigger, the next step of disabling BootP may not work quite as expected. So let's give it a shot. It's sent out there, and it looks like the device is happy. Let us give a shot here. We're going to disable BootP, and so it's waiting a response. And it says, yep, disable DHCP command is successful. So now I have a static IP in my device, and if I pull up a command prompt, I should be able to ping that device. Ping 192.168.1.3, and I'm talking to it. So good news is with the ping, I know it's there, I know it's got an IP, and I know I've disabled. So we are ready to put the SafeZone scanner on our network and hook it up to our GuardLogic safety control.